So Mocha is not only for soca, Mocha is for rapso too.
Oh, yeah.
Mocha for rapso.
Mocha wafer bar.
Yeah, man. Say better than bacon choker. We gonna have a mocha. Yeah, what I tell you.
Man, do a rapso line there. Man, do a rapso line. New Mocha wafer bar on the market, guys. Go and check it out.
But no.
Check it out. We in the black box, and
Yeah.
I just really wanted to close off with the boys because these boys, as I said, they've been in the studio by me couple times, few times, enough times. And
last time I was there, it a good burger
yeah,
and
boy.
steak.
all right,
Yeah,
don't boast now, man. Don't tell everybody. Don't tell everybody.
Off the chain.
But this band, as I said, I think as Rocker said in the last segment, is growth because we've seen this space when it was next to nothing, and now this is the official space of 3CANAL and the Cut Clear crew.
And the Cut Clear.
And not only that, I think opens to so many other things, Wendell.
You have the back box crew as well, the dancers and all
And
that.
so many other artists.
Many artists
I mean,
use it.
real artists. We meet people every day who say, give thanks and praise. Thank you.
Yeah.
And we like,
For
who
giving
are
them
you?
a space,
Who are you? And then they
a
remind
platform
us
to perform.
from
Yeah.
2016, when they were here.
Yeah.
And, I mean, it's just amazing.
The growth of this band started when? Because as I said, 3CANAL would have been doing its thing, and then all of a sudden it was 3CANAL and the
Cut
and Clear crew.
Well, you had
Yeah.
several iterations of it, but I remember the day when I met Simon, Simon Mendoza, yeah.
Long
This
standing.
Capitan. It was a time I went by Beaver to do an ad, and Bounce You Up, and Enrico.
Right, that's right, that's
Yeah.
right, that's
Yeah.
right.
We're talking about starting a band, and then Elliot was part of that whole thing
Yes.
from the early stage.
right.
And we had rockers from
Right.
DJ
Baby
from
boy.
back in the day. And then, over the years, we had Corisan and then Joanna Maria Hussein, Pauline. And
So
holding
where
it
you're saying
down.
it happened kind of just
It's very
naturally.
organic.
Very organic.
Yeah.
right?
Mostly, yeah, just like how
You take a break, and then John will fall in, and
Right.
then Elliot come back on the percussion.
Right.
And
causing
Kivan,
confusion, as
We have
usual.
players missing.
you know.
Right,
We
yeah.
always still have mad crazy Keshav.
Yeah, and
Who
Keshav.
will
Yeah.
just fall in.
So Rockers Raise said a word there, and I think family is a big part of it. You know,
Yeah.
we've been around each other for a long, long time, years and years and years. You know, ups and downs and around. And you know, we went on tour and didn't go on tour and started Black Box and jam and
The journey.
do big shows.
Yeah,
man. Yes.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah, the journey, yeah.
It's been a journey, and we're very grateful because. You know, we don't take for granted anybody's input in what we do. Nobody. We don't take nobody input for granted. And it's a blessing for them just to respond tonight and say, yo, they want to do this thing. And everybody was like, immediately,
Yeah,
hands up,
yeah.
you know.
So thank you guys. Thank you guys for accommodating Couple
Yeah,
Joe,
man.
Couple Joe
For
in
bringing the
band.
music.
We would not have
Sure.
felt complete if we didn't come in the black box.
Yeah,
to do
man.
it, yes,
And we
yes,
appreciate
yes,
that.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you very much. So, Wendell, Stanton, Roger,
Yes, man.
take us out with something nice now,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Something
Yeah.
nice, right?
This one we feel. This one is
Couple
running
Joe in the
with
black box.
Yeah,
Run
Couple
the
Joe.
whole world know.
To the world.
Couple Joe.
3CANAL.
Couple Joe. Run the rhythm, let the whole world
Say,
know.
man,
Vibes
get it.
deep in your belly now. Run the rhythm, let the whole world know. Run the rhythm, let the whole world know.
Let the whole world know.
Run the rhythm. Run the rhythm, let the whole world know. Let the whole world know.
So good to be alive.
Run the rhythm, let the whole world know. Let the whole world know.
Living in the vibe.
Run the rhythm, let the whole world know. Let the whole world know.
So good to be alive.
Run the rhythm, let the whole world know. Let the whole world know. Run the rhythm. Run the rhythm, let the whole world know. Let the whole world know. It's so good to be alive. Run the rhythm, let the whole world know. Let the whole world know.
Living in the vibe.
Run the rhythm, let the whole world know. Let the whole world know.
So good to be alive.
Run the rhythm, let the whole world know. Let the whole world know. It's so good to be alive. Run the rhythm, let the whole world know how you feeling, feeling.
Good to be alive.
Run the rhythm, let the whole world know how you feeling, feeling.
Living in the vibe.
Run the rhythm, let the whole world know how you feeling,
So
feeling.
good to be alive.
Run the rhythm, let the whole world know it's so good to be alive. Living in the present, the future's too far. When I say now, could you take it sooner? I live in the vibes, traveling at the speed of light. Everything is going to be alright. Yeah, I live in today, tomorrow's too far. And when I say now, could you make it soon? I live in the vibes, traveling at the speed of light. Run the rhythm.
Run the rhythm, let the whole world know.
Yeah.
We coming from the land of Calypso.
Yeah.
So catch up the rap so pan.
Yeah.
Run the rhythm, let them understand.
We are.
I live in people with a love for life.
Yeah.
I love in people and we live in life.
Yeah.
I live in people and we love in life.
Yeah.
In spite of the fuss and fight. So
Run the rhythm, let the whole world know how you feeling, feeling.
side.
feeling, feeling. Run the rhythm and the whole world know how you're feeling, feeling inside. I run the rhythm and the whole world know it's so good to be alive in the rhythm, alive in the power, alive in the vibes every minute, every hour, alive with the knowledge of self, alive and feeling good about myself, alive in the here, alive in the now, alive in the truth, got to make it somehow, alive in the vibes, alive in the rhythm, alive in love with life and living. Run the rhythm and the whole world know, let the whole world know it's so good to be alive. Run the rhythm and the whole world know, let the whole world know, living in the run the rhythm and the whole world know, let the whole world know it's so good to be alive. Run the rhythm and the whole world know, let the whole world know it's so good to be alive. Run the rhythm and the whole world know how you feeling, feeling. Good to be alive. Run the rhythm and the whole world know how you feeling, feeling. Run the rhythm and the whole world know how you feeling, feeling. So good to be alive. Run the rhythm and the whole world know it's so good, it's so good. It's the rhythm we want. Hey, 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 hey. It's the rhythm we get out, get out, get out, get out. It's the rhythm we hey, it's the rhythm we it's the rhythm we want. 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 It's the rhythm we it's the rhythm we want. It's the rhythm we want. It's the rhythm we want. It's the rhythm we it's the rhythm we want. It's the rhythm we want. Rhythm we around the rhythm that the whole world know. It's the rhythm we want. Yes, yeah. The rhythm is the source alive.
Yes, I.
Woo, my lord.
Cut and clear.
Long time we didn't do this.